Good morning, students. In the last class, you came to know about the pronunciation part, organs of speech. Today, we deal with consonants. Before that, let me tell you about the letters in the alphabet. What do you mean by alphabet? Alphabet is nothing but a set of letters. There are 26 letters in English language. That is A to Z. You were taught the 26 alphabet of the English language in your school days. Out of the 26, there are 21 consonants and 5 vowel sounds. But when you notice these consonants and vowel sounds, your mouth is open with no narrowing and the sounds are not noisy. Similarly, if you say the letters B, T, D, G, H, there is some touch in our mouth and the sounds are noisy. It means that if there is noise when you utter the sounds, they are called as consonant sounds. Because consonants are made by two organs in the mouth, such as two lips or lip and tongue or tongue and teeth. So, you have to keep it in mind when you pronounce or when you utter, when you articulate the letters, there is noisy for consonantal sounds. So, the 26 letters are giving 44 phonetic sounds, and out of 44 consonant sounds, 24 are consonantal sounds and 20 are vowel sounds. And out of 20, again it is divided into two parts, 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. First, let us see how these consonants are divided according to the nature of construction of the consonants. The first one is plosives. What do you mean by plosives first? What are the examples for plosives? What are called plosives? P, B, T, D, K, G. They are alphabets. But coming to the phonetic sounds, they are P, B, T, D, K, G. So, they are phonetic sounds. When you articulate these sounds, if you place your palm in front of your mouth, and when you utter those sounds, that is pa, pa, ta, da, ka, ka, you can feel the air touches your palm here. Okay, it means that it explodes the noise. That's why they are called plosives. Coming to affricates, cha, 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 cha. Exploding noise comes first and noisy friction comes next. That's why they are called affricates. Coming to fricatives, there is a very narrow gap in the mouth when you articulate these fricatives. They cause friction. There is very narrow gap. See, when you utter those alphabet letters, there is very narrow gap in the mouth. So, fa, f, f, la, tha, da, sa. So, these are fricatives. Coming to nasal sounds. What are nasal sounds? Nasal sounds are ma, ma, na, ing. So, when you try these sounds, with your nose closed, means like this. If you close your nose, you can produce the sounds. So these are called nasals because if you close your mouth, the air passes through your nose. But if you close your nose, you can't articulate these sounds. So these are called nasal sounds. L is the only alphabet for lateral. And coming to the approximants or semi-vowels, these are articulators or close to each other without causing any friction. So these are the parts in the consonants division. And if you take the vowel sounds, we have only 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. But those 5 vowel sounds, 5 letters give 20 vowel sounds, 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Monophthongs means single vowel sounds. Diphthong means the combination of 2 vowel sounds. For example, if you take vowel sounds, see the words here: sign, signature, Vaseline, third. In each and every word, you can see I, the letter I. SI in sign, SI in signature, LI and Vaseline, third, THI in third, but the sounds are entirely different. The letter is the same, the letter I is same, but I is giving different vowel sounds. See here: sign, signature, Vaseline, third. So in that way, the vowels, 5 vowels give 20 sounds, and those 20 sounds are divided into diphthongs and monophthongs. And again, monophthongs means the single vowel sounds can be divided into 3 parts, that is front vowels, middle vowels, back vowels. What do you mean by front vowels? It means that we utter with the tip of the tongue, with the help of the tongue, the first part, central part, that is the middle part, and back of the tongue. Front vowels, like it goes on like this: sit, sat, wet, sam. And central vowels: fur, learn, uncle. And for back vowels, examples are you, to, honesty, fought. So let us see the other things in the next video.